Hey, good morning. Old Slick here. How's everybody doing today? Fine, I hope. Got another little upgrade on the Jeep. I put some rough country grab handles. It's not that I do a lot of four-wheeling, but my little old bag of sugar, my wife's about 5 foot tall. She has a hard time getting in that Jeep. So I put them in there for her. So I've already installed these, and I'm going to show a little short installation video real quick. Also, I put some door protectors on the front. I lost that footage. However, I'm just going to show you a picture of those after they've been installed. But anyway, both of these products, I have them linked in the description below. So, hey, let's get to the video. All right. Okay, the next project is going to be putting these grab handles on. And I'm telling you, these things are made of solid steel. They are heavy. They've got to weigh a couple of pounds a piece. But it's going to be pretty simple. Like there's a screw, a 13 millimeter bolt here, and then one of the is a screw there, so it's that one right there. It's going to go like this. It's going to be a long spacer here. Looks like it's going to be a long spacer here and a short spacer there. So these spacers are provided. I'll figure that out. Got some help. Okay, that's going on pretty easy. Just have to remember, you know, which one to use. It's got the concave part here where that's going to screw in. So you'll know which side it goes on. Also, you have to put this one in first, because I tried to put this one in first, then I couldn't get this spacer in. So got this one in loosely. Now I got them both in loosely. Now I'm just going to tighten them up. Okay, I don't know how well that's coming out in the video, but man, I tell you what, those things are rock solid. They are heavy, and this was real easy to put on. So that's upgrade number 2 for today. Okay, here are the little door protectors I was talking about. All you have to do is peel a little sticky part off the back, clean the door frame real easy, and stick them in there. And this is a very nice, inexpensive upgrade. Got them on both sides. All right, there's another short and simple video. You ain't got to hear old Slick do a whole bunch of yapping. Hey, but I hope that did help somebody. Hey, and if you hadn't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe if you will. Leave a comment. And if you didn't get anything else out of this video, I hope you get this. Is God loves you, and so does old Slick. But you know, sometimes just like old Slick, we're going to do what we're going to do. So y'all be particular. All right. Hey, girls. Go. She mad because we ain't riding.